Hey everyone, so I've got my jump starter and air compressor. I want to show you everything that comes with and then give you a demonstration of how to jump start a vehicle and also air up a tire. So it does have our jumper cables here. We'll demonstrate those in a minute. Also, we have a charging cord, a few accessories to air up any inflatables, a bag here to go ahead and store those small things, and then we've also got a zippered soft case right here to go ahead and store this. Now, what I like about this right here right away is it's got easy to use controls. We've got our power button. We've got LED, which is a light. It's located right here on the front. We've got a solid light, a blinking, and then a slower one. Also, this is where we're going to charge it. It's got a USB-A, so you can go ahead and charge up maybe any smart device. This is a phone or a tablet. This is where we're going to go ahead and plug in our jumper cables. And on the back side, it's all hard connected to go ahead. This is for our air hose to air up any of the tires that we want to go ahead and do. When you first put this in here, it's going to blink red and green. As soon as I go ahead and connect it up to the battery, it's going to wait a minute. It's going to beep. It's going to be a solid green. And then within 30 seconds, you want to go ahead and start your vehicle. Now, this is good for any all gas engines and diesels up to 10 liters. So when you first hook this up to your vehicle, it's going to give you a digital readout. My tire is at 34 pounds. It does tell me my battery life. And this is good up to 150 pounds. You can go ahead and adjust this just really anywhere you need to. I'm going to go ahead and put it at 35. Hit the power button, and it's going to go ahead and get up to 35 and then stop automatically. It's going to constantly give you a readout. And then it took that long just to put a pound in. I mean, it's just real simple to use. I love that this is all connected in here and stored in the back. This just has some preset settings for whether it's say, basketball tire, motorcycle, or even a bicycle. Hope you found this review helpful.